My God, my God, my God, my God, my people. Melon, 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 melon. Whoa!
And farming is a gamble.
Oh, for real,
Understand?
for real.
Yeah. And everything you plant, you must get. But when you get, you give thanks.
Give,
And,
yeah,
you know?
my viewers, my God. Yes, my viewers, going through the center of the cut. Yeah, going through center cut. Don't know why the reason they call it center cut. There's rock on the two side. Yeah, center cut. Okay, there was a bee's hive here. There was a bee's hive here. Yeah, but it seems like them changed spot. And going on a plantation, yeah, magnificent plantation. So I say, yeah. So right about now, just going through center cut, taking the right turn. Stay tuned, don't touch that dial, alright? Going on this plantation for the first time, but don't really know the location of it, you know. So I'm on a little bicycle here. Yeah. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Whoa, lovely feel, you know. Yes, lovely feel, me I tell my people. Yeah man, it's all about Splinter, you know. Splinter farm this, you know. Yeah. My God, I have to stay out here so I do a video first before I go inside. Trust me, man. Yes, I, for real.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, right now on the farm with Splinter.
Yes, man.
None other than
Juicy and nice, you know.
Jesus. This is the pine, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Joke, you know.
So Splinter, tell me something. How long you have been planting here?
You know, say, I discovered a piece of land from last year.
Okay.
Early up in the last year.
Yeah.
Before them start lease out the land and so forth, you know. But I was just trying to go carrot and sit on the front, right? That's all.
Yeah.
If you shine the video, you can see it right on the front, that's all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we see that little potato, that's all.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where we just started out,
Yeah.
you know.
Okay.
And I realize the quality of the soil,
Yeah.
so we decided to want do it in a wide scale.
Okay, okay. Me understand.
Yeah, man. So we
Understand.
just start expand and start cultivate the land, you know.
Oh, you mean, man? So you have a line of cane here?
Yeah, line of cane.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try some callaloo, but you know.
My God, you have some callaloo here also.
Yes, man, but you know, just try out what I want,
Yeah.
you know. Yeah, man.
Real, my viewers.
You know, we are planting some long-term crop to like some coconut and everything.
Yeah, coconut, for real, man.
You know,
Real.
all the extension.
Yeah. What you mean, man? The on the farm again, me people, with Splinter.
Yes, man, the original juicy and nice, you know.
The original juicy and nice.
Yes, man.
What's the farm, me people? My God. Yes, my people, the farm nice. Yeah. You can see here some planting tree here. Yeah. Cane. Cane looking nice. We have all okra. Yes, my viewers, okra. Cocoa. You have a little shed here too, you know, so if rain a fall, him can't wet up. Then at that, Mr. Man, some renter.
Yeah. Rent I am, you know.
Jesus Christ, my viewers. Splinter not a joke.
It's a little yam ground area,
Yeah.
you know.
I love to see pumpkin them, you know, man.
Yes, man. There's a
Jeez.
lot more inside here.
Wow, you have whole for pumpkin tree corn, man.
Yeah, man, we call that intercrop,
Intercrop, yeah.
you know.
Watch my people, there's a whole coverage of corn. Corn is all angles. My God, Splinter, you know, easy.
You can approach the field from this angle.
Oh,
Yeah. Easier way if you go around, you know.
yeah, inside here, so you have, wait, man. Let me check out inside here so first. My God.
All the way back around here, so, you know.
Okay, okay, callaloo.
Yeah, man.
See the people,
Yeah, man.
okra. Splinter not a joke. And watch how people rich.
Yes, man. You could scallion, you know.
Oh, God, the people. What that over there, so? Cyril.
Yeah, man, this is sorry.
Oh my God, my viewers. My viewers. What is this? Rosemary?
Rosemary. If you're on the farm and feel bad, you can drink a little.
Yeah.
Rosemary, you know.
Yeah, my people. Cyril.
Sorry.
Cyril inside the Cyril area now.
Yes, man.
Oh my God. So wait, you have melon too?
Yes, man. Melon there too, man.
Jesus Christ, me love your farmer. God know. God know, my people. I'm sure you're on top of the farm, my people. Look over there. Gone right through the village. See? See it here? Pumpkin, me people.
Yes, man.
Pumpkin. Cyril. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Look at this town, my people.
Yeah, man. These are the watermelon. Those are the amount of rain that we get.
Well, I know, come up, me need that information there, yeah. What going on with the melon?
Alright, because of the rain, the hard rain that we get from the other day, the soil having too much water, so the melon them start bust. See how them start look here?
Okay, too much water.
Yeah, too much water.
My
You
God.
know? This is the time of summer now where we should get some sun heat now where them are now here start full up.
Yeah.
But we get water now, so
Water too much?
yeah, water too much on them, so.
Okay.
And then now the dryness of the leaf now you have fungus.
Yeah.
We have treatment for that too. But,
Okay. Lot of melon here, my people. My God, my viewers. This is the farm to be, man. My God, my God, my God, my God, my people. Melon, 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 melon. Whoa, melon.
what if a watermelon?
Jesus God, my people. Watermelon.
Yeah, man. You know, vine years so now you have what few row of this intercrop by corn and peas.
Okay.
So the pumpkin them now, them the plant over, so
Oh.
start run over now.
Yeah, yeah, me understand.
You know, pumpkin is that thing where
Yeah.
long distance to
Yeah, me understand. Yeah.
the vine food, so.
God. Magnificent.
You know, the bongo there.
Bongo is here also, my people. More melon. Melon to go. This is the way to plant melon. My viewers. My God. The melon was big, my viewers. Watch it, man. Look over here, so. Look over here, so. Pumpkin. I love the pumpkin. Look at melon, man. Jesus Christ, Splinter.
Yes, man.
Hey, watch out, sir. Melon again.
Yes, man. And just because the water still.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can find, see, you see how them start black bottom,
Yeah, yeah, the water.
the water.
Oh.
And spread the grass, you know, them spread the grass and so forth.
Mm-hmm.
So and a really dirt and do it, and just the water.
The water. Too much water.
Too much water upon them.
Okay.
Well, farming is a gamble, you know.
Give me again. Give me the information there again.
Yeah, man, farming is a gamble.
Oh, for real.
Understand?
For real.
Yeah. And everything you plant, you must get, but when you get, you give thanks. and
Give
praise.
thanks. True. Yes, my people. Pumpkin.
Yes, man.
God.
Them are we call intercrop, you know.
Intercrop. Intercrop, my people. Yeah. Look inside this plantation, my people, my viewers. Yeah. Yeah, we have corn, have cocoa inside there, we have peas inside there, we have pumpkin inside there, my God. Trust me, my viewers. Splinter and I ramp with it, man. So when I see Splinter, they're working a road, you know, a hustle, you know, it's a hustler. The real, man. The real, man.
Spend all our spare time, you know.
Yeah.
We don't have no time to wait.
You got some, man. My God. My God, my Father.
You go around the farm. You can walk inside the corn, walk your spare cut inside the corn.
Okay. Oh God. Yes, my viewers. It's all about the corn, pumpkin, and watermelon. Wow, I love to see the pumpkin them, you know, man. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers.
You see it right around the farm, you see me a plant a coconut tree, nothing about it.
Yeah, coconut tree right around the farm, my people. Yeah, right around the farm, it's coconut tree. Yeah. Yeah.
Right through and through, man. Pumpkin.
Yeah.
You know?
My viewers. My God. Yes, my viewers.
This is an intercrop because you want now when you report the can,
Yeah.
we're gonna have the pumpkin occupy the land space.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understand.
Because by September the can supposed to have.
Yeah.
And then now you have the pumpkin now continue spring and continue spread over the place and continue bearing.
Bearing. For real. For real, man.
Around that side this kind of cluster, so we soon come back. We'll walk through here so now the canteen
Okay.
area.
Yeah.
So.
My God, this one is clear, man. Watch this for people, my viewers. Watch what's going on up the top there. Yeah. It's all about Splinter Farm. They're on the farm with Splinter. My God.
Yeah, man. So inside now, the reason why I don't walk inside there so now, because in the so
With the
more
pumpkin.
cluster- yeah, it kind of cluster inside.
With the pumpkin, yeah.
Pumpkin, so you can look through. And you know when you step through, you have to step on the young vine them and the
For
young
real.
pumpkin them.
For
And
real.
you can see them a come through all about.
For real.
And when if I work there, for the same way so.
Ah,
Yeah, but farming is a thing like, it's a nursery.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
You have to protect like you have to look a young baby.
True.
You have to protect them because right now see they protect
See,
me, have to just protect the pumpkin there.
Yeah, man. For real,
You
man.
understand? It's me that will protect that, me that lose that one.
True, man.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, that's what farming. Once you start the farming, you have to dedicate yourself to the farm, you know?
To the farm, right. You have to have that time. I love the farm, Splinter. God, no.
Yes, man.
Just love the pumpkin and the can. My God.
Yeah, man.
Yes, my
So-
people.
When we just start out the farm, yeah,
Yeah.
when the tractor man come and plow the land,
Yeah.
I was wondering what me I would plant.
Okay.
Well, we did have two crops where me say me would I'm really going to. Potato was one,
Yeah.
and then me have peanut was the other choice.
Okay.
But when me look, the peanut was too expensive,
Right.
you know, and it would be in a good crop still.
Yeah, yeah,
Because
yeah.
if me did plant the peanut, but I catch it
Yeah, me understand.
because me get the good rainfall on it.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
the money,
yeah.
the finance it, you know.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So I was having some cans, so I say, alright, since me have the can, me not waste some time with the can, so I'm
Yeah.
put in some can and me have some pumpkin seed also. So
Just throw it in.
I'm just throw it in.
So it go, man. You have to plant, you know.
Man, so,
After heat, so you have to plant.
and I will it for hard work,
Yeah, man.
you know, will it for back pain and sweat to do all of this.
For real, for real. I will for work.
And I just look on it and like how it look pretty now. This
Yeah.
is the happy part right now. Because we are got to reaping stage now, so this is the happy part right.
Yeah, man. For real,
Yeah.
for real.
You can walk through and look for your hard work.
Yeah. Hard work what you do already.
Yeah, man. And then say, once you're doing the hard part of the work, it must come down to a payday, right?
Hold on. Give me that information again.
Yeah, man. Once you have to go through the hard part of work, it must come to a payday.
For real.
Understand?
For
Yeah,
real.
man. Hard work is just a success.
For real. The real farmer. This is the real farmer, my people.
Everywhere you look, you can see them.
Yeah, pumpkin the whole walks of life, man.
Man. So if you go inside, you will see more inside.
Yeah, yeah, me
Up to
understand.
It cluster.
The cluster, yeah, me understand.
You know,
Me
and walk and
understand.
go step. Because if you notice, all of the vine them, look up on this, all of them.
Then go stretch out. Yeah,
Because see there, they might go so and they might come so they might go all about.
yeah, true, for real. For real, my viewers. Pumpkin I go all about. Yeah, man. They on the farm with Splinter, my viewers. Yeah, as you can see, pumpkin, the vine them around all over. We have young one everywhere you turn is a young pumpkin. Yeah, every corner, every crevice is a young pumpkin you turn. Yeah, look over there. Every crevice, every corner is a young pumpkin, you know. Is a pumpkin pushing out. Yeah, my viewers. Why, I love this farm. This farm is a lovely farm. This is one of the richest farm.
Yeah, man.
My God.
Yeah, man. So
Yeah.
if me in somewhere you can look on the bank, them you see also some bigger one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know. So
My God.
in the right round, man. Right round.
Right round the place, my people, my viewers. This is the farm. Yeah, man, on the farm with Splinter. You know, hard working hustler. See there? Real, man. Splinter not joke with it.
Oh, we're not going to play with it, you know.
Wine they all about. My God, my people. My God.
I roll you everything and it's just half of the farm.
Okay.
From here,
Yes, me understand. Yeah. Yeah. My God, my people. Pumpkin is everywhere. My viewers. Yeah, man. My God, my people. Couple months from now, there's a lot of food here. Yeah. Real. Right. We're back outside this entrance, my viewers. Trust me. Pumpkin all growing the here. My God. Pumpkin all growing the here. Watch the vine there, my people. Watch the vine them right down the line. My God. Pumpkin.
Alright, so here so now is another side of the farm.
Okay. Oh.
We have other more things.
Yeah.
So that's now where we plant the cucumber them. But the cucumber them are bear off now.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
Would I get more out of them, you know, but what really happened because of the clusterness of the corn and the pumpkin,
Yeah.
that, you know, so them burn off.
Oh, me understand.
Yeah.
I understand. The cluster upon them.
Inside this piece of grass here, you see, right, so we are looking at, so I'll be a potato inside that, but at the time, you know, too much work just kept me one time. So
Right.
this now, a piece of it dealt with,
Yeah.
but the time I come yet see.
Okay.
As you can see there. See there, see a potato inside.
Yeah, man, me understand. Yeah.
Right through and through it.
So it ready for reap?
No, you're not ready for it yet.
Okay.
By September,
Okay.
you know.
Okay.
Alright, so I'll be a clear shot to show you how is it clean or is it angry.
Yeah, for real.
This bank here is just cucumber.
Cucumber bank, okay.
Cucumber bank.
Yes, my viewers, just cucumber bank here. As you can see. Cucumber.
Right through, man. Cucumber.
Yeah.
Hold on, fine.
Yes, I. Cucumber, my people. Cucumber.
You don't want to put them back.
No, but me a pocket.
You go back farm if you want to put them back.
A true man.
No, yeah.
A true man.
Yeah, man, because you might have shoot a bit at the time and time. You reach the stage,
A true, yeah.
you know.
Yeah. My God. Just me, my people.
You know.
Farming nice.
Yes, man. The work, when you come on to your work, you know,
Yeah.
many people get stressed out when you come on to your work.
Yeah.
But once you make up your mind to do your work,
Yeah.
it's nothing.
Yeah, man, you're ready when reaping time come.
Yes, because when reaping time comes, it's all nice, you know.
Yeah, man,
And them
for
time
real.
It's all nice, you know.
For real, for
Yeah,
real.
man.
For real, man.
Alright, as I was saying,
Yeah.
this is how the potato would look.
Oh,
If
without
that
the
area-
grass.
Yeah. If
Yeah.
that area is clean out, you
Oh.
like because all of this.
So you never clean out here?
No.
Okay.
Just be clean.
Okay.
You know, clean and to here, so.
Yeah.
Come down there. Come
Yeah.
to here, so. But too much work did reach me at the time, so I couldn't get the
To clean out
yeah,
this side.
Finish this side.
Okay, understand.
Right, so
Understand.
you can just step over on a bank here,
Yes, I. My God.
so this is another young piece of potato.
Oh, yeah.
Which, yeah, mine the can.
Can, me see can.
Come down in the
In a trench.
Alright.
Young
And
can.
now, this is another part of intercrop.
Yeah,
You know, we
For real.
plant corn and potato together.
for real.
You know,
For real.
over here so now, a piece of we see the grass them now. We get a beating on this piece.
Okay.
Spray down this a piece already and sow it out with bay carrot.
Yeah.
You know, so the rain never fall. That's plenty. Alright, we just walk up and we just see it.
Yeah, but the water run through here so when rain
Yeah,
fall,
man.
man.
Run through. That's the reason why we bank them this way because the land hold water.
Yeah, this land is a water land.
It's a water land. So if you need bank it this way,
Yeah,
you water you
don't keep your water.
Keep the water and
Yeah.
spoil the crop.
me understand.
Yeah, so we do it that way that the water can run.
The water run through it.
Yes.
For real, man.
Alright, so as I was saying, the whole of this is sow already with carrot.
Yeah.
The whole of them bank
Okay.
is sow with carrot.
Yeah.
You know? Okay, so what I was looking at. Yeah. So
Oh.
That's how the carrot them when they start look now.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, so what happened to them?
Because of the rain.
The
We
rain.
never get as much rainfall.
Okay, the drought.
Yeah. Too much sun heat, so you say them get to germinate.
Me understand. Me understand.
You know? So
Yeah.
we'll clean it down back and try it again.
Yeah, yeah.
Because them grow scanty, you know. As you said, they don't grow, but they grow scanty still.
Yeah, so 1 year, yeah.
And see a couple more there, so.
Okay, carrot me people.
Yeah, man. So then they all about to buy place.
Yeah, man. For real.
What we decide when we do now is come through and pull the grass them like this.
Yeah.
Because we can't spray this again because we have a couple carrots inside there.
Yeah, young carrot.
Yeah. You might can't mark it.
Yeah, 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 but you
We have
can't eat.
something, we have something we can put in my pot.
Yeah, for real, for real.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We should have stopped now and go market go buy 1 pound of carrot or 2 pound of carrot.
Simple.
You understand?
Simple 1, 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Next thing what we do again, we try soak callaloo
Yeah.
inside too. So you know, early morning you can,
Get a cut of callaloo.
you know.
Well, just,
Have
you
some
plant
too.
everything, Splinter.
Yeah, man. You have to try to utilize up the land spaces.
For real, man.
You know, as you can see, the pumpkin right round same way.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the last part of the farm.
Okay.
To that side now you have, over here so now you have the cow pasture.
Okay, yeah.
The guy we have seen how much long,
Mhm.
feed them cow.
Alright.
Come go give them cow water a while ago.
For real.
You know what, it's I'm surrounded by cows, so I have to run.
Yeah, man, you have to run a fence, the line, you know?
Yeah, man.
For real, man. Yes, so man, boy, the farm rich.
Yes, man.
It's a rich farm, Splinter.
If you catch the carrot them, man, you carrot them and I'm pretty.
Yeah, man, them are pretty out,
You
man.
take grass them, you take grass with them powerful.
Yeah,
True, say side rich.
yeah.
So them wide.
Yeah, man, for real,
Yeah,
for
man.
real. See me the carrot, them are the wide, you know, sir?
Yes, man, I see with them wide, man.
My God.
See
So,
the land.
so all the work done on this farm, are you one?
No, it's not me one, you know, me and my family.
Okay, okay, okay,
You
okay.
understand me?
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
man. And my wife and kids them.
For real,
Yeah,
man.
man, we work all tonight.
Yeah,
Sometimes till daylight.
for real, man.
Because when I work in the night, you know, get the cooler part of it.
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
you see the sun hot now and we are sweat now and them something. When you catch night now, you work. You live, you're school like cucumber.
Simple, simple, simple
Yeah,
one,
man.
two, yeah.
When other people that them bed asleep,
You the work
you
hard.
on the farm I work, you know.
For real, man.
Yeah,
Best
man.
time.
Yes, man. So,
For real.
as me I show you, so I show this piece set up.
Yeah.
You know, here,
Okay. Clean this area. You
Yes,
have some.
man.
Yes, my viewers. Wait.
and this, you know, so this a cowpea, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so the area now I cut down this up.
Okay.
And when it starts spray down,
Oh,
in this.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
For real.
Catch the water because
Come to the end. For real, man.
they wash.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. For real, the water.
Spunk in the
My
cover.
God, the cover.
Stand so.
My God.
Just so you think set. You know, get no hurt, man. Vine.
Yeah.
You know,
God. No water soak.
Yeah. You see? I work on the farm and people see a market. People see a market and know it tough.
Yeah.
If you can pick up things and don't realize that you have what you have.
For real.
The money around and spend the money and stop criticize people. And so it's tough.
Yeah, man. One place.
One place, man.
God. Watch.
Show you, man.
My.
Find up the service in one here. One back of the other.
This. I love this.
Alright. Some cane from here, so go straight back.
Okay, ribbon cane.
Ribbon, come on. 'Cause you know we sell the cane from the road.
So if you have a cane, you can
man.
cut.
Come on.
This is another boy. Alright. Turn is pumpkin. Just
Everywhere you go.
more cucumber. Yeah. Madman. Why the farm rich? Yes, my viewers, and the farm rich. God.
One vine.
One.
You understand?
And one vine, me people. Two.
On the same.
Yo.
Man, the same vine. Yeah.
Rich farm. One of the richest farm. Yes, I.
We still have only more work, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
We are utilizing for the whole of them posts, yeah. We are plant bean on them.
Yeah, for real, for real, for real.
Bean yet, so.
For real.
By the last of this month, going back to August, we start plant bean pan each one of them posts. We put some bean,
For real, man.
some broad bean and some sugar beans on them, you know.
Yeah.
So we not waste no time with it,
For real, man.
you know. We make use of every land space we get.
Yeah.
Plant something somewhere, make it germinate.
For
You
real,
never
man.
can tell what it are doing, you know, because we go have food shortage in Jamaica.
Yeah, man. Start
So we
already.
have- yeah, so we have to put in something in the earth.
Yeah, man.
As we can reap, you know. And
Half
there
a
is
plant.
nothing we plant today and get it tomorrow, so you have to make here while the sun is shining and start plant something.
Sight. Sight.
man.
Yeah,
So-
that, Mr. Man.
Yes, man. So when the time come, we reaping. That is the time of harvest, so you know how it go.
For real, Splinter.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. It's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah, man. And the farm with Splinter. Otherwise, Mark. Yeah. One of the richest farm.
Otherwise, you know me as juicy and nice, you know.
Juicy and nice.
You know, so we froze them and have them for ice, you know.
Jesus Christ, the
No,
original
cut
fine
them,
man.
Yes, man. Cut them and sell them by slice, you know.
Yes, I, for real.
Yes, man.
What is area name again?
Road us on name Center Cut.
Oh, Center Cut.
Yeah,
Alright,
Center
me
Cut.
get it right.
Yeah, man,
Okay.
Center Cut here.
Alright, my viewers, you hear that. So, couple months time you have corn ready can sell.
Yeah, couple months time from now. We have till September.
Yeah.
Last part of August going to September. We have ready corn.
Okay, you hear that, my viewers?
Yeah, man. So,
Corn ready.
As you can see the corn them start show up them here.
Yeah.
So when the corn I go fit, these ears I go get
Oh,
black and
yeah.
drop. So you notice,
yeah.
you know,
All light get darker.
all like get darker,
Okay, me understand.
you know.
So yes, my viewers and subscribers, you know, down in September, corn ready, you know, so you can check Splinter, you know.
Yes, man.
Seeing.
Don't know.
Yeah, man.
Corn right at station gate.
Right at station gate.
Yes,
Pumpkin
man.
soon ready same way.
Same way.
Yeah. Can't short of food, me people.
Can't short of food, man. And we are putting more.
Yeah, more going. Watch a pumpkin here underneath here. So boy, your pumpkin all hungry stir
All longer, man. Right now, I never know if some of them.
My God. Yes, my viewers.
What we plan to do now, Saturday now, we want to spray the pumpkin Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah, treat it from the worm.
The worm. Okay.
And fungus,
Yeah, yeah.
you know. So we treat them live longer.
I understand.
Yeah, man.
I understand. So like when it beer and stop, you go beer again.
Yeah, man, it don't beer again.
All right.
Your pumpkin are really dead.
Yeah, me understand.
Yeah, man.
You mean when you plant it in a May?
Yeah, when I plant it in a May, it's not really dead.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, man. Look, it's a little vine. I think I like pumpkin, that's what I do, you know.
Okay. Why pumpkin too? I see pumpkin everywhere now.
Yeah.
Him did it. My God!
You sit down nicely in the grassroots there.
Yo! Yes, my viewers. Pumpkin in the grassroots. Pumpkin everywhere.
We never walk in there so yet.
Yeah, pumpkin did it, man. Pumpkin everywhere.
Yeah, man. You spray that area and just let them go and make the pumpkin go on.
Yeah, me understand. I understand. I understand. Yes, my viewers. Any question you want to ask Splinter, just drop it in the description. You don't know. You know, drop it in the comments. The comment box. Alright? My viewers. Yeah, man, for real. Yeah, man, we on the scene with Jamaican Farmers Hut, my people. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Splinter Farm, you know what I mean? Yeah. Otherwise, Mark, this is a rich farm. This is one of the richest farm. Remember me tell you, man.
Alright, so I have to roll up on top there now. Whole other piece of woodland we are looking up there so we go back.
You mean a piece? Way back up, so?
Yeah, behind them coconut tree there because this
Oh.
piece I come across us so I have one little slide now because
Okay, okay.
so we have about 2 acres on top of it so
Yeah.
we chop off and cultivate up.
Okay.
We start burning out a piece of grass piece you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man, so we are trying to prepare for some crop to September crop.
Oh.
So when this a reap off now we are planting some more now for December.
Yeah, you over that side.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, for real, man.
Understand? So more cut out some of them now plant some bean and some more pumpkin and top there so. In there so no more plant some sweet pepper and some tomato.
Oh.
Up on the gin.
Up on the hill there.
Yeah. So
Alright.
talk too much water so.
Me understand, me understand. I understand. This little dirt up here, so what plant up there? Here, so.
Alright, this not no planting ice, you know. This
Okay.
which part long pan them used to come dash them done down them something there.
Oh, yeah, see they done that there. But
Yeah,
a rich dirt that.
A rich man, rich style.
Mhm, rich
That's why I
style.
plant the coconut tree them alongside that so.
Yeah.
Get them
You mulch it.
you know.
Yeah, I understand. Yes, on the farm with Splinter, and right now we're gonna cut off. But before we cut off, we want Splinter to give those young guys in the street a word of advice. So Splinter,
Yeah.
what would you say to those guys in the street now?
Alright. What I'm gonna tell the youth them, get more vigilant in Jamaica. Not only in Jamaica, in yourself.
Yeah,
To develop yourself because there is nothing where you look upon I just saw it is. You have to work
for real.
to get things how it is.
For real.
You know? So what I'm gonna tell the youth them, not just hang out on corner and crush out your hand with whatever you want to crush out your hand with.
Yeah.
Yeah, go in at the soil. Till the soil.
Till the soil.
You understand?
Yeah.
Plant it up in acres and miles.
For real,
More
man.
food for us and unborn child.
For real.
Yeah.
How you mean, Splinter?
Yes, man.
Alright, Splinter, you don't know what cut out, so blessings. One of the
Yes,
richest farm
Yes, man.
right now.
We continue to do it and we don't stop.
Yeah, man, for real.
It goes on, man.
For real, man. So yeah, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know we're on the farm with Splinter. You know what I mean? So you don't know it's all about we cutting. But you have pine in here, so man. You have some pine in here, so man. Okay.
I've been chatting to pine farm over some man back up, man. I'm going to stay over there make you see what I want.
You got some man, yeah, for real.
I'll show you where the pine them originate from, you know.
For real, man.
Yeah, man.
For real,
You know,
man.
that area, now I go clean back that area because September I'm putting some carrot in that area.
Yeah.
All of that area.
You got some man. You
In
got
that
some man.
area, you know.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man. I got some of the plant carrot, them. I need to supply all three them.
Yeah, man. One there. Nice one there.
Yeah. See them? So we just load them up, we'll see if we can see it.
Yeah. For real, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
No.
my viewers and subscribers. It's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah. On the farm with Splinter, one of the richest farm in Center Cut here. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. One of the richest farm here in Chilani in Center Cut here. You know? Mark, on the farm with Mark, otherwise known Splinter. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So right now, we are about to leave. You can watch a video here or watch this video here. You know? And stay tuned. Don't touch that dial. Alright, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Boom.